I've been living in Sicily for a year now, and something that I've learned that I try to prepare all newcomers to is that if you need to get anything set up, electric, internet, bank account, residency, anything that you need to get set up from scratch, be prepared because you're going to need at least 4 appointments in order for it to get done. And let me share with you why that is. So the first appointment, and I find this actually quite cute, but first appointment, if you're trying to get something set up, is you'll get asked, say you're trying to get your electric set up, you'll send a message, I need an appointment. They'll say, come down, let's talk about it. And the reason that is, a lot of times people here don't speak English. You're a foreigner, you're coming in, you're new to the area. So they just want to establish okay, I need to know what you're asking for. I want to be sure we're on the same page. So let's just talk about it and let's make sure, okay, so you bought a house, you need electricity. That's my understanding. That's what we're going to try to do. So that's appointment number 1. Appointment number 2. So then you leave appointment number 1 with saying, okay, we're on the same page. We know what we got to do. So come back for appointment number 2. So appointment number 2 is the actual appointment where you talk through, okay, so you want to get your electric set up. Here's all the documents we're going to need. So we're going to need X, Y, Z. You need to go get those documents, pull them all together. They take your particulars, so they start, building an account for you. But then, of course, you're going to need to go away, get all these documents, and bring them back. So then you move on to appointment number 3. Appointment number 3 is where you hand over those documents, and they put them all into the system, and they get it all set up, and they work it all out. And then you leave appointment number 3, basically waiting to get whatever you're doing processed. So if it's electricity, they gotta wait a couple days, get it processed through the system, and then you'll have appointment number 4, where you'll finally get the confirmation of, yes, it's all set up and you're good to go. So for myself, it was pretty much everything where you're starting from scratch. So my internet, setting up a cell phone, setting up my electricity, setting up a bank account, getting my residency sorted, pretty much every process. Now, this is what happens in my small town. Now, are all of Italy like this? No. And are some processes either easier than others? Yes. And if it takes you less than 4 appointments, do stop to celebrate, because it doesn't happen that often. But yeah, you just be prepared. If you go in knowing this information, you're not going to get frustrated. You're just going to understand that it's just part of the process.